everyone, today I'm going to do a shoe unboxing. So I took your suggestions from the last one that I did, so I will be doing a try on today, no worries. This is a shoe unboxing for a pair of shoes that may seem a little familiar to you. About a year ago, I did a comparison between New Rock and Demonia. Now, the Demonia is obviously a little cheaper, more cheaply made. Obviously the Demonias are a little more cheaply made, but a little more budget friendly. They did last me quite a while, however, they did break at the second Coheed show of the year that I went to this past year. The bottom completely fell off. So, I had to replace them. I wanted something very similar because that's kind of a staple style for me. So I did find a platform that I really loved, very similar in style, platform, buckles on the sides, but the front has a little something extra special. I did not go with Demonia again. There's actually a brand that I've been seeing all over Dolls Kill and other websites called Widow. This brand, I believe, is a subsection of Lip Service, which has been around forever. I'm sure everybody knows who Lip Service is, what that brand is. But this pair of shoes I had really been wanting for a while, so once those shoes broke, I went ahead and snagged a pair. I did get them on sale, so I did not pay what they normally go for, but I think they're normally around $150 or so, which is about the same price point, I think, for the Demonias, the same style, except the Demonias are not this awesome. So the cool thing is this platform is much bigger than the other one. First off, the other one that I had was about half the height, but also this one has like a heel, it kind of angles your foot like a heel does, so you can see that there, and then the Widow logo. I'll try to get close-ups of these later. Nice grippy bottoms. I wore these to the 21 Pilots concert that I went to in Birmingham a few months ago, and they were super, super comfortable. These make me so tall. These are the tallest shoes that I own, and so my foot is like dangling. If I have one of them on, my foot is dangling in the air. So that's those. They are a vegan leather, and they seem to be really well made. And they're, like I said, they're very, very comfortable shoes. I would definitely recommend these to anybody who are in the market currently. Now, just a note about the box, and I'll show you this in another clip, but the box did get a little beaten up. I got these from Dolls Kill. Dolls Kill have a habit of just putting the shoebox in a bag to ship them, and that pretty much guarantees that the box is going to arrive beat up. So just keep that in mind if you're a collector or anything like that. That is going to happen if you order from Dolls Kill. So let me go ahead and show you the shoes.